This pack is a great idea for teachers, therapists, studios and shops, anyone who'd like to try the oils. If you already have a good familiarity with the oils, even a couple of them, if you get it, then it's probably better to go for one of the starter packs. But if you haven't tried them yet and you want to get a feel for them, this pack is a really good way to go. So this has all 6 of the products. It has Ground, Balance, Salute, Detox, Muscle Soothe and Relax. So that's the full range. So if you get this, you'll have the full range of experiences and you can try them out in the shop, in the studio, with your students, just to see, get a feel for the products. And the price of this pack is subsidized by us, so we'd ask you just to get it if you were serious about becoming a stockist or an ambassador. And we also offer free training for shops, for studios, for teachers and therapists. So if you are interested, please get this pack and connect with us. Thank you.